Before buying a mouse for CAD, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Logitech M720 Triathlon. The Logitech M720 Triathlon caught my attention right away with its sleek design and impressive features, priced at around $39.99. If you want a reliable, multi-device mouse that can keep up with your CAD projects, this is worth a serious look. This mouse is designed for endurance, boasting a whopping 24-month battery life, which means you won't be constantly searching for batteries during your work sessions. It's compatible with a wide range of devices and operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and even iPad OS, giving you flexibility if you switch devices. The hyper-fast scrolling feature allows you to fly through long documents with ease. This is a huge time saver when working on complex designs. Plus, the ability to connect to up to 3 devices simultaneously means you can easily switch between your laptop and desktop without the hassle of unplugging. Now, some users have reported that the scrolling can feel a bit inconsistent at times, especially if you're used to a more traditional mouse. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, the productivity gains can outweigh that initial learning curve. If you're someone who values functionality over a learning curve, this mouse is still a strong contender. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a durable, multi-device mouse that can handle detailed CAD work. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional mouse shape, or if you're on a really tight budget. For the features you get, it's quite a good deal. Now, if the M720's battery life isn't a priority for you, the next one might actually be even better for comfort and ergonomics.
Product number 2, Logitech MX Vertical. The Logitech MX Vertical caught my eye with its unique ergonomic design, priced at around $74.97. If you want to reduce muscle strain while still getting top-notch performance, this is worth considering. The natural handshake position of the MX Vertical reduces muscular strain by 10% compared to traditional mice, which can be a game changer during long hours of CAD work. With a 4000 DPI sensor, you get high precision with less hand movement, allowing you to focus on your designs without tiring out your wrist. It's been ergonomically tested to improve posture and reduce wrist pressure, making it ideal for those marathon design sessions. However, some users have mentioned that it takes a bit of time to adjust to the vertical angle. Here's my take. While it can feel awkward at first, many find the comfort and reduced strain totally worth the adjustment period. If you're someone who frequently experiences wrist pain, this could be a lifesaver. This is perfect for you if you prioritize ergonomic design and comfort, especially during long CAD projects. Skip it if you're not ready for the vertical design or if you need something more compact. Given its features, it's a good investment for your health and productivity. Now, if the price of the MX Vertical is a bit steep for you, let's take a look at a more budget-friendly option that still offers ergonomic benefits.
Product number 3, TechNet Ergonomic Mouse, priced at just $20.97. If you're looking for an affordable option that doesn't skimp on comfort or features, this could be the right mouse for you. What stands out about this mouse is its seamless switching between 3 devices via Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz USB connection. This is super handy if you're multitasking across different devices while working on CAD projects. It also features adjustable DPI settings up to 4800, which means you can customize the sensitivity to suit your workflow. The ergonomic design allows your palm to rest at a near vertical angle, which reduces wrist strain, a must-have for long CAD sessions. However, some users report that the wireless connection can be a bit finicky at times. But here's the thing, if you're careful with the setup and keep the USB receiver close, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. Overall, for the price, you're getting a lot of value here. This mouse is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want comfort and functionality for CAD work. Skip this one if you need a mouse with higher-end features or if you work in a very sensitive environment where every click matters. Considering the features, it's a steal. If the TechNet doesn't quite fit your style, let's check out something different, like a trackball mouse that might change the way you work.
Product number 4, Nulia M501 Trackball Mouse. The Nulia M501 Trackball Mouse surprised me with its ergonomic design and smooth thumb control, priced at around $29.69. If you want to minimize wrist movement while still maintaining precision in your CAD designs, this one's worth checking out. With its smooth trackball, you can control your cursor without moving your wrist, significantly reducing muscle strain. This is especially beneficial if you often find yourself working in tight spaces like a cluttered desk. The mouse also connects to up to 3 devices, allowing for effortless switching, which is fantastic when you're juggling multiple screens or projects. Plus, it's rechargeable, so you can say goodbye to wasted batteries. That said, it's important to note that some users find trackball mice a bit challenging at first. Here's the thing though, once you adopt, the comfort and precision can greatly enhance your workflow, particularly for CAD applications. This is perfect for you if you're looking to reduce wrist strain and improve precision in a compact design. Skip it if you prefer traditional mice or if you're not comfortable with trackballs. For its price and benefits, it's solid value. If the trackball concept is not your thing, let's finish up with a budget-friendly ergonomic option that's portable and versatile.
Product number 5, Uni-Air Wireless Bluetooth Mouse. We have the Uni-Air Wireless Bluetooth Mouse, which is an impressive pick at just $17.99. If you want a portable mouse that's easy to use on the go without sacrificing comfort, this one is worth considering. This mouse offers tri-mode wireless connectivity, allowing you to switch effortlessly between devices. The ergonomic design is comfortable for long usage, which is essential when you're deep into your CAD projects. It features adjustable DPI settings up to 2400, letting you tailor the sensitivity to match your needs. Plus, the battery level indicator is a nice touch, so you'll never be caught off guard by a dead battery. Some users have mentioned that the mouse isn't as durable as higher-priced options, which is a valid concern. But honestly, for the price, you're getting a reliable mouse that performs well for most tasks, and it's light enough to carry around easily. This mouse is perfect for you if you want an affordable, portable option that works well across different devices. Skip it if you need a high-end, feature-rich mouse for serious CAD work. For the price, it's a fantastic value and a good quick-fix solution.
So, to wrap it up, the Logitech M720 Triathlon is great for multi-device users. The MX Vertical excels in ergonomics. The TechNet is a budget-friendly option with solid features. The Nulia M501 offers a unique trackball experience. And finally, the Uni-Air is a portable option that won't break the bank. Each mouse has its strengths, so consider what matters most to you and choose wisely for your CAD needs.